So many playthings. Let's open it. One, two, three, four. The first one is a cola drink. Do you know, kids, that they all are erasers? Wow! You can also open it. The second one is French fries. Do you like to eat French fry, kids? I'm sure that you like it. This is a potato chips. Third one is a pizza slice. Green color topping and red color topping. And the last one is a fruit cake. You can say it a birthday cake. Now join them again. Now cola drink is ready for you. Tasty and delicious French fries. Now decorate the birthday cake. Which flavor do you like most, kids? Now add the cheese and topping. Now keep them aside. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
Oh wow, color pens! So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is light green. Second color is orange. Third color is yellow. Fourth color is green. Fifth color is sky blue. Sixth color is blue. Seventh color is red. Eighth color is purple. And our last color, ninth color, is pink. Let's learn alphabets. Blue color. A. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane is a vehicle. Orange color. B. B for bear. Bear is an animal. Light green color. C. C for cherry. Cherry is a fruit. Pink color. D. D for dog. Dog is an animal. Sky blue color. E. E for eggplant. Eggplant is a vegetable. Yellow color. F. F for flamingo. Flamingo is a bird. Our next color is green. G. G for guava. Guava is a fruit. Purple color. H. H for horse. Horse is an animal. Our last color is red. I for iguana. Iguana is an animal. Now say with me, kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.